Fine, this is problem number 4. Let us go with this. Arrange 1 by 3, 3 by 10, 5 by 6 and 2 by 5 in ascending order. Ascending order we are supposed to find. So the given fraction is 1 by 3, right, 3 by 10, right, 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. Let me take a LCM of the denominator. That will become what? So LCM of 3, 10, 6, 5. Let me go with this 3 ones are 10, I can't divide, 3 twos are and 5. Then let me go with 5 1 divide, I can't divide, 5 twos are 2 and 5 ones are. Now further 2 1 1 and 1. The LCM for 3, 10, 6, 5 is 2 into 3 into 5, which is nothing but 5 3 is a 15, 15 2 is a 30. So now let us go with this. 30 is the LCM. Now make the denominator as same. That is why we took LCM for this. Now this will become, first fraction will become what? 30 is the LCM, correct? So 30, 3 tens are, so I can keep 10 here. This is first one. For second one, what happens here? 30, 10 threes are and 3 threes are 9. Third one is 6 fives are, correct? 6 fives are, 5 fives are 25. 25 by 30. The fourth one is 5 6 are, 6 twos are 12. 12 by 30. This is the fourth and this is the third. This is second one. Now go with this. So first one is 9 by 30. First I'll keep that. Then 10 by 30 and 12 by 30 and 25 by 30. Now let me arrange it in a ascending order. 9 by 30 is nothing but 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is first one, and then 10 by 30. 10 by 30 is nothing but second one, that is 1 by 3, and third one is 12 by 30, that is 12 by 30 is nothing but 2 by 5, and fourth one is this 5 by 6. This is what the answer is. Hope you understood.